There you go.
Oh. It's like those eggs case. Eggs. Oh, it's actually bigger. Oh wow, that's actually big. Yeah, now I see. I was wondering when they say that you can cook a whole chicken, how big it would be. It's pretty big. Remember last time we went together in Westfield and then, oh shit. Okay. Remember we went to Lakeland last time, and when I went to Lakeland, it's because I wanted to see the actual product and before I ordered from online. And in Lakeland they didn't have big size like this. They had smaller one, and I just didn't like it. And because I wanted to be like, well, hopefully be a one-time purchase and not plenty of time. That's why I wanted a big one. Even though we are a couple living here, you know, sometimes guests come and stuff. We could do bigger. Oh well, like I know this is pandemic moment, so we shouldn't look for guests. What does it say there? Okay. Max Crisp technology is perfect for okay. Here is the
Alright,
can you
let's
do
start
a
cooking, yeah.
360-degree turnover? How slowly. And there's a mirror. Wow. At first I'm gonna use this to navigate how to use it. So I have plugged it in, turned it on, and then you have to press the switch button. Yeah, and that's it. When it's empty, I'm gonna fill it with some chips.
I'm gonna try to cook this potato in our air fryer to test it. I'm gonna make it like what they call French fries, even though it's growing in the UK soil. So that's done, guys.
So guys, I have washed it well because it's just, I guess, good to wash new products, particularly if you're using them for cooking. And now I'm drying them in case the water affects how the chips come out. So that's done. I'm gonna put it back, and I'm gonna spread all of the chips here. I haven't added much because just now I want to try and see how it goes. So here it is, and then I put it inside, and I'm gonna follow the instruction given here. So it says max crisp 15 minutes. Okay, it also says 450 grams. I'm sure mine's less than 450 grams. So what I'm gonna do, sorry, it's 15 minutes. Max crisp time 15, 19, and max crisp. And
Press stop button.
I start.
Okay.
And make sure, guys, just the important thing, you leave this open. There is no obstruction because that is the ventilator and it needs to release the heat. So yeah, and let's see. I hope all goes well, and we'll get back to you. So guys, as it's cooking, I can feel it's very warm here, and I would like to show you another thing is that with this machine, when you like, sometimes we people like to check how our food is going. If you do open it, it does stop for a while, and it starts from the time it has stopped. So I think this is something good and great about this machine, because who really likes to start from the beginning? And I hope it goes well.
Set, go.
So guys, it has ended, and when it ends, it does a small little sound, a beep. So I'm excited now to open it, and let's see how it. Oh, okay. I was expecting that. Interesting. Okay. Max Crisp air fry. So now we're gonna try a little bit. My partners. Can you break it again? It does sound very crispy though. Like as it say Max. Okay, I'm not happy with the color, but that could be because something to do with the temperature or the timing probably. Even though we did follow this, the Max crisp saying, it could be that the temperature was more. I'm just gonna check that I used the temperature correctly, so I'm gonna plug it again and turn it on. Yeah, and okay, I think we didn't. No, the temperature was default 200. That's weird. But we're gonna try again. So guys, I have learned my lesson, and I've learned that I shouldn't have used it without reading the manual. So this is the instruction book, and this is the book for cooking chart. Oh, it's a quick guide. Sorry, and it has cooking charts and 20 irresistible recipes. So let's see. Air fry. Preheat for best cooking and crisping results. Always preheat. That's something I didn't do, but did we? Okay. The crisper plate promotes overall browning. Okay, we did see the browning bit. We recommend using it every time you air fry. For best results, frequently shake your food. Okay. Toss it with silicone tip tongs to get it crispy as you'd like. So maybe it would have been better if I had tossed it more. Anyways, let's see. There is no temperature adjustment available or necessary when using Max Crisp function. Set in minutes and press start or stop. Slide, just roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate. So you do have all of the informations here. I guess for maybe for 2-3 months. Well, it really depends how regularly you use it. You will need the guidebook. Well, that's here for a reason. Anyways, shake, shake, shake. Air fry tips and tricks. Freestyling recipe. If you're cooking less food than the recipe calls for. Yeah. So that could be an issue. Maybe I've used chips less than 450 gram. That's why it got overcooked. Secure your food from more even browning. Okay. So they would like to use a little bit of oil. Slicing, jerky, trim the fat. I'm very excited to use the dehydrator, especially sometimes I would like to, when we get fresh fruits and we don't eat it on time, so I would like to dehydrate them and see how, and if we could save food, that's really great for everyone. And then, but overall I think it's a good machine. First impression. Okay. Firstly, one thing is very important to register your purchase. I think it's to do with warranties, guarantees. You may find the model number.
voltage. Yeah, guys, that is important to note that you have to register your Ninja air fryer within the 20 days of purchase. The registration will help the company and yourself. Basically, the registration would help you to contact the company in the unlikely event of a product safety notification. By registering, you acknowledge you have read and understood the instruction for use and warning set forth in the accompanying instructions. And this is just safeguard stuff. Control panel, getting to know your Max Crisp. I see. Max Crisp used to give frozen foods extra crispiness and crunch with little to no oil. Maybe I guess it's a bit sensible to use a little bit oil. Well, I have not used any oil. I guess I was just too excited. Air fry. Use this function to give your food crispiness and crunch with little to no oil. Roast. Use the unit as a roaster even for tender meats, vegetables, and more. Well, I wouldn't really bake. I'm really bad with baking, guys.
Hello guys again. So today I'm gonna try to cook some fritters like this in the air fryer. For me, if the air fryer can cook the fritters as well as I would cook in the oil, like if they come similar like they would be cooked in the oil, then I'm gonna keep it. Yeah.
Ready?
So guys, I'm gonna put some oil here, a little bit, so you can use a little bit oil if you want to, and I'm gonna just swirl it around, and I think that's okay. Well, it looks really less, but I hope that's okay. Now I'm gonna turn it on, and this time I'm following the instruction. So I'm gonna leave it 3 minutes to heat up. Temperature is gonna be 200 and it's gonna be max crisp. Low temperature please. Okay, not max crisp. This time we'll try air fry, and that's 200. And let's see with start. So that says 90 minutes, but I guess we're gonna use less than this. And this time, yes, not to make any mistakes, I'm gonna make sure I check it more often. 3 minutes to preheat. And also guys, we have to keep it outside a bit so that the vent can doesn't have any obstruction. So now it's 3 minutes. I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna put this here and hope for the best. So guys, now it's 15 minutes and I'm gonna show you how it looks. Well, they're looking good. Yeah, what do you think, video man?
Yeah, it's good.
I'm kind of happy how it's turning out, but I hope I don't jinx it. So I have been guys regularly checking this, and I'm pretty happy with how it's coming up. So the camera. So it's 12 minutes now, and we're gonna check again. It looks like it's cooked well, and we're gonna try how it tastes. Okay, so guys, I have also reduced the temperature a bit to 170 so that it's cooked, the fritters are cooked thoroughly inside as well, and not just that, you know, outside is crispy and inside is not cooked. Yeah.
Oh, it looks good.
We're back again, and the cameraman saying it's look good. It's looking good. Okay, now we're gonna do thing. I mean, you know, it does look like,
yeah. So let's try
the inside. It does look like it just came out of oil.
Yeah,
Huh? It's good.
it's good. It's cooked well done. Yeah.
So it isn't like we. Do you think we need to cook in it oil?
No, I don't think so.
That's great.
No.
Let me try a little bit. Yeah,
Yeah, it's good.
it is good, and it's also like I like the feeling that you know how you have it oil. Like in oil, I feel like the outer
Yeah.
part sometimes loses its taste,
Mhm.
and this one has the taste intact
Yeah.
of the spices as well, which
Yeah.
is very good.
That's good. Okay, alright
Anyway.
guys, thanks for watching. Thank you.
I'm keeping the video raw for you so that you guys really understand whether you want to buy the product. Just a pro tip, guys, when you cook fritters, make sure you use low temperature. Like I have used 170 degrees Celsius, 170 I've stick to it, because when you cook with higher, like the default temperature, the machine will set that is 200 degrees Celsius, but then what happens is that the outer side cooks well, but the inside gets uncooked, remains uncooked. That is why I turn the temperature, I reduce the temperature to 170, and I feel like that cooks it inside and outside thoroughly, so that it feels like, it doesn't feel like, or you don't feel out like you didn't cook it in deep oil, fry it in deep oil.